everyone and welcome back to Spine Seratus. I'm Aiden Rodriguez and this is Rise of Berg gameplay part 7. So, um, we are still continuing to search for the shovel helm. Yeah, that's a unique shovel helm, claw finder. Oh no, oh no, is the shovel helm gone? No, okay. So, it will go in 1 day, 23 hours. So, that gives us merely 2 days to do it, to get it. Will we get it? Did we? No, we didn't get it. Okay. We still have 1 day, 2 days, 2 days, or 1 day, 23 hours to get it. Oh wow, 25 runes. That really helps. Let's collect it from this guy. I'm not gonna send Toothless for training right now because it's almost time for the Shovel Helm event to go. So I'm gonna be searching. There's a lot of stuff. Oh, there's a Windwalker coming for this event, I think. There's a Windwalker coming for searching too, which is amazing because I like Windwalkers a lot. Resend. Alright. Can't send for 3, I can't send for 2, I have to send for 1. I really hope I really wish I had enough ruins to speed it up because I really want to see what I get. Razor Gronkle plus 3 levels, why not? Meat lug. Oh yeah, I could just upgrade meat lug. Nope, I don't have enough. Alright, monsters now I finished collecting his fish. Got a lot of stuff. Open. Oh right, my hanger is empty. Ah right, I emptied my hanger. I'll need fish from one of you guys if that's okay. All of you actually. Right, he can't get fish. What gives us fish? Think. What gives us fish? Opening mystery box? Ooh, I can't get that. If I train three dragons. So yeah. Oh, I did it. Wood. Think I can yeah, I can collect wood for 20 minutes with this guy. How much time? 10 minutes. Anyone back? No, from this. So I have to send them for journeys. I'll save Meatlug there. I'll send Stormfly. Stormfly is on a higher level than Meatlug. Though I got Stormfly way after I got Meatlug. Train 3 dragons. Defeat 5 dragons in Brawl. It has been some time since we have brawled. I've got two new things in it. Upgrade. I'll just upgrade this. I'm not gonna be using my Rumble Horn. I just don't want to. I'll upgrade him. More tokens needed. I'll upgrade Monsters Nightmare and Gronkle too because they both are on my team and they're both really helpful. Ooh, Flightmare. This Flightmare. I can get Meatlug in my team. Meatlug is also really helpful. Info. Health 825, attack 35. Let's compare that to the Gronkle. 735, 31. So it's less than Meatlug. So yeah. Let's check Stormflies compared to Meatlug. 580 and 37. Meatlug best, Stormfly with health like very much. Stormfly is a grade 6, Meatlug is a grade 5, but still Meatlug is ahead of Stormfly by a lot in health. And attacks, Stormfly is just 2 attacks ahead of Meatlug. So that makes Meatlug better than Stormfly actually. Toothless. He should be the most powerful. Health 500. Wait, what? No, no, no. He's on grade 4. That's why. Toothless is worse than Meatlug because he's a grade 4. Meatlug's a grade 5. Yeah. He's not that far behind Meatlug though. Although, is he ahead of Stormfly? No, he's behind him both health and attack on Stormfly. Stormfly is a grade 6. What I want to check about is the flight map info. 552. Decent attack. I want to see which one's the weakest. It's probably this one. Yep, that's pretty weak. 460, 29. Let's check Whispering Death. 460, 29. This guy's pretty bad too for some reason. Whispering Death is bad for some reason. 560, no, 460. Speed 80, which is pretty good. Defense is 13 and special attack is 41 stars. Defense is 13, not bad. Comparing it to a Smoke Breath's defense is same. Speed, both of them are same. Flight Mez has more defense than it and has less speed. Toothless is probably gonna have lots and lots of speed built in. Speed 80 is same as a Whispering Death and Smoke Breath. It has more defense than. Yeah, I'm just seeing about everything because I never saw any of these before. 80. 16 defense. Stormfly is even more. Meatlug's probably gonna have the most defense. Defense 17. Speed 65. Pretty slow, honestly. But it's a Bronco. Wait, how much is it? Speed 65 and yeah. Okay. So same with the Gronkle, speed 65, but Meatlug has more defense than a Gronkle. I've not checked the Rain Cutter at all. So its speed is 75 and its defense is 14. Rumblehorn. This guy has 15 defense, 65 speed. Honestly, not bad health and attack on this guy. Okay, let's defeat 5 creatures in Brawl real quick. And then we'll probably get the Gobbers back. Daily Gobbers back. Oh, he evaded. I forgot to check the evasion of all of these guys. Evasion basically means block. Oh, I forgot to swap Meatlug in with the Gronkle. Meatlug should have been in this. Okay. Oh gosh. Down him. Up myself by shooting him. So he has a Gronk. We both have Gronkles. We both have Nightmares. The only difference is I have Toothless and he has a Whispering Death. And his weakness is his Whispering Death because Toothless is far more powerful than the Whispering Death in all its stats basically. And the Whispering Death is taken out. His Gronkles on a lower level than mine. His Monstrous Nightmares on a lower level than mine. So basically, I had the advantage for this whole map, this whole brawl. I doubt I'm gonna lose a creature except for Nightmare. He's gonna. Okay, yeah. I doubt I'm gonna lose a creature. I hope it doesn't come back to me. Come on. Okay, Monstrous Nightmare is dead for sure. He's definitely gonna attack Nightmare. Nightmare is dead. So now he's gonna die. He had 3 creatures, I had 3 creatures, and with his 3 creatures, he was only able to kill 1. And before he killed 1, I killed 2 of his. It's pretty great. I really would love to hear the sound effects, but then if I put the sound a little too loud, it could overpower my voice. And there are already a few voice cracks happening. I have noticed in the last video that there was a voice crack at the starting, slight voice cracks. So yeah, I'm just gonna do brawls to another brawl. and hopefully defeat at least 2 more creatures. Then I will get that pack. Unlock 3 hours. Why not? Brawl. Waiting for a challenger. Who dares challenge me? Oh, he has Fangok and a defender, Gronkel and a monster sniper. So Fanghook has good attacks. Um, Gronkel. Honestly, his Gronkel has the advantage over mine. It's level 4 and that too it's a Furious and it's a defender Gronkel. Um, they both are the same species, but I think Fanghook has more attacks than normal Monstrous Nightmare compared. Yeah, and Whispering Death, as usual, has a weakness against Toothless. I'm just comparing it species wise. Toothless, because that two Gronkles, that two Nightmares. It seemed like last time there were two Nightmares, there were two Gronkles, Toothless, and the only difference was he had a Whispering Death, I had Toothless, and it's the same here. Except that Monstrous Nightmare gets replaced by Fanghook, and the normal Gronkle gets replaced by a Defender Gronkle. That just increases speed. Yeah, I want to see this in fast mode. Yeah. In time lapse, sorry, not fast mode. What is fast mode, Aiden? Gronkle's tail whip really looked like he just headbutted it. Oh, Nightmare's out? Well, at least my opponent's faring better this time. Though it's not the same opponent. I killed one of his, and then he killed one of mine. And his Whispering Death's dead. He evaded, no. He made himself faster. That's not gonna help. And I'm gonna put Toothless. I love this part. Bam! And increases Toothless's speed too, which is awesome. Dead. There we go. When's the next arena? I got up to arena 11, I think. I have to check that. Which arena I got up to. Toothless really looks cute in this image. So does Stormfly. And there are a few terrible terrors. What is that at the back? Next to that mountain, you can see something at the back. What is that? Alright, so I'm gonna check arenas. So I need only 30 more cups, I think. How many cups do I have? 120. Yeah. No, I don't do it. I don't. Yeah, I need that. So. Then 1500 plus. I definitely had more than that. I definitely had more than that. I did not pass this. So I came till here. Yeah, I came till here. 8,000 plus. I had about 13,000. I was very close to unlocking this. I will show my progress on that. I had champion triple strike. I had soaring sidekick, but I had to sell him because I had lack of fish. Honestly, I had bone nappa. I had hot bubble for sure. And I had a couple legend adders. I had storm cutter. I did not have hook fang. Sadly, I had Sluther though. I had Sluther. Ooh, wow. What? 300k plus you get 7,000 ruins. Ooh, that's good to know. Wonder if I'll ever get up there. Um, and looks like we got it. Give me lots of ruins. Yeah. Okay, we got some ruins at least. 8872. I still don't have enough. I don't care if I lose all my ruins and speed in Toothless up. I really want to speed Toothless up. Should I watch a video? I can watch a video actually. Guys, I'm gonna be watching a video, and as soon as it ends, I'm gonna restart the screen recording. I'll see you then, guys. Hey guys, it was no use. It was literally no use. It still cost 83 ruins, and I have 72, which is, and we're out of videos, which is bad. So now what I'm gonna try. Maybe I could no, but we're out of videos. Have I sent Toothless? Yeah, I did send Toothless. Okay. We have upgraded our academy, right? Which level's Monsters Nightmare on? Oh yes, we completed this. Okay. So now I'm just gonna see this. Swimming with Gronkles. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Meatla can't do it. No, it needs to be on level 10. I keep running out of fish. Okay. So now guys, I think we'll have to end it here. Bye and see you next time.